So this is bad. The geopolitical tension between Iran and Israel is creating fear in the market, and it's not just only the crypto market experiencing some turbulence. Asian markets, even the US markets are experiencing some turbulence. So what does this mean for Bitcoin, and how shall we prepare ourselves? Before I start talking about it, I want you guys to do me a favor and quickly destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a friendly reminder to those individuals who have not claimed this free 200 USD position airdrop from Bybit, then I suggest you guys to check the video description, because Bybit right now is giving around free 200 USD position airdrop, either Bitcoin USD position, Ethereum USD position, or Solana USD position. All the links are in the description down below. Feel free to check it out. Feel free to grab this opportunity. Now, what I want you guys to do is to simply monitor this price action using our leading indicator, because on my previous videos, I was very clear. If we are going to lose the support which we have from the CPI indicator, I mean top, central, and the bottom CPI indicator, we might get attracted towards the first target from this month of April. I mean the monthly S1 line, which was around 62,000, and after testing the support, you can see the price has started to show relief rally. So will this continue? Will this bullish move continue, or is it going to turn out into a fake out? What I want you guys to do is to monitor the price action around this bottom CPI line carefully, because if the price wants to show an actual bullish move like this, right, actual bullish move like this, then we have to find support over this bottom trend line. If we fail to do that, then this exact trend line, right, which previously acted as a line of support, will be acting as resistance, and price after that could show another continuation here to the downside, which will indicate 53,400, 53,500 on the line. So to avoid this bearishness, we want the price of Bitcoin in the medium short term to remain above this monthly S1 line at any cost, because we know it's not just only the CPI line. Even if we look at the symmetrical triangle, so if you carefully look at the symmetrical triangle right now, you can see, guys, the line which in the past price action acted as a strong line of support, also resulted in some bullish move, has been broken, and now this is going to be looked as a bearish continuation pattern. Bearish continuation pattern because we are below this key line of support. So what could the price of Bitcoin be doing in the medium short term? We might be showing some relief rally, price coming back to test the resistance from this lower trend line, which in the past price action acted as support, before showing a move like this. I mean, this could be playing out as a bearish symmetrical triangle if we fail to regain our strength above this lower trend line, because I just showed you with the previous example the bottom CPI line. If we flip this into a bullish continuation pattern and this entire move as a fake out, then we have to find support above this lower trend line. We have to find support above the bottom CPI line, but remaining below that range means we should prepare ourselves for another continuation here like this, because it's not just only the symmetrical triangle indicating us the market in the medium short term could be bearish, right, but also with the help of our Williams alligator indicator. Now, what I want you guys to do is to monitor the price movement around this Williams alligator indicator carefully, because during uptrend, we have found out the price of Bitcoin has always, right, found support above this Williams alligator indicator and CryptoAnup Platinum indicator. But if you look at this price movement carefully, right, you can see, guys, we are forming a bearish crossover in Williams alligator indicator, and price is also fighting to regain its trend above our CryptoAnup Platinum indicator. So what does this mean for the medium short term? What does this mean for the upcoming days? Because if you look to the downside, RSI has started to drop below 50, MACD a bearish MACD, T3CCI in a negative territory, clearly indicating weakness. So since these indicators are turning bearish, I want you guys to be extra careful, because the price is testing some of the key lines of support and resistance. Resistance from the bottom CPI line, resistance from this CryptoAnup Platinum indicator, and also the resistance from this symmetrical triangle which I just showed you. So if we are going to flip that into support, then this will be a fake out, and price after that could slowly start showing a move like this, and this coiling up from Williams alligator indicator might indicate another volatility, but not necessarily to the downside. So to avoid this bearishness, we want the price of Bitcoin to jump above the bottom CPI line, symmetrical triangle, the lower trend line, and even the support from this CryptoAnup buy sell indicator, because parallelly after this drop, the price of Bitcoin has also tested some of the key line of support. Let me show you that here. Now, what I want you guys to do is to simply monitor this move inside this falling channel or descending channel, because according to this descending channel in the past price action, whenever the price of Bitcoin got attracted around the lower trend line, what happened after that? I mean, in the past price action, whenever the price of Bitcoin got attracted towards the lower trend line from the descending channel, we formed a very nice rally. I mean, a relief rally where we got attracted around the upper trend line. So since the price has also tested the support from this descending channel, is it going to result in another bullish move like this? Because if we are going to test the resistance from the descending channel, I personally think in that case we could be even flipping that into support and start with another continuation like this. I mean, the reason why I'm actually expecting price, if it manages to come around 71,000, it will be preparing itself for another bullishness, is because in that case we will be breaking the resistance from the bottom CPI line, we will be breaking the resistance from symmetrical triangle, and price will be above CryptoAnup buy sell indicator. So for this bullish continuation to play out, first we need to overcome the resistance which we have around 68,000 range, because we know, guys, in a bigger picture, if you look at this price action here, the price of Bitcoin could be forming this Wyckoff's reaccumulation phase, and this move here to the downside, right, will be our spring. Yes, guys, according to this example on the left hand side, you can see corrective move towards the lower trend line will indicate a spring action, which will also indicate bottom and price of Bitcoin after that to show another continuation here to the upside. So if you want the price of Bitcoin to show a move like this, right, a continuation to the downside, find support over 60,000 before starting with this actual bullishness. Even for this bullish scenario to play out, we need the price to overcome the resistance from this bottom CPI line, resistance from our symmetrical triangle, the lower trend line, because we know if you look at this in a bit different way, I mean, if you look at this formation here, so in a bigger frame, you can see, guys, nothing much has changed. Even though the price of Bitcoin is showing weakness, I've been very clear with you, as long as the price remains above 60,000, right, there is nothing to worry about. And in this case, the pullback, what we are witnessing right now, could be a retest, price testing this key line of resistance before choosing an actual trend duration. So I don't want you guys to panic right now. Wait until 60,000 support gets broken if you want to look for another short opportunity like this, because remaining over 60,000, this entire bearishness, this entire bearish move will be just a temporary move before we start with another continuation like this, because we are aware in about 4 days from now, Bitcoin is going to witness another halving, the fourth Bitcoin halving, which will create more supply shock in the market. So that means less supply, more demand, the price will be heading to the north. So that's why, guys, I don't want you to panic. As long as the price of Bitcoin remains above 60,000 in a bigger frame, this entire bearish move could be turning out into a fake out. But if you look at this in a smaller time frame, I mean, if you simply look at this price action here in an hourly time frame, we are forming a bullish move, a bullish formation known as descending broadening wedge. For this descending broadening wedge to play out in an hourly time frame, we just need the price to remain above the upper trend line, because this same trend line in the past price action rejected us. Since we are below it, this same line will be acting as support around 64,000. So in the medium short term, if the price comes back to test this trend line but finds support, then you can expect another continuation here towards 71,000. And if that happens, then this entire bearish move will fake out, and price after that is expected to continue with this uptrend. So guys, these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then I suggest you guys to destroy that like button right now. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And even a quick reminder to those individuals who have not claimed this free 200 USDT position airdrop from Bybit, then I suggest you guys to check the video description, because Bybit right now is giving around 200 USDT free position airdrop, either Bitcoin USDT position airdrop, Ethereum USDT position airdrop, or Solana USDT position airdrop. All the links are in the description down below. Feel free to check it out. Feel free to grab this opportunity. And by saying this, I'm signing out. Until next time, bye bye.